Excuse me, can you help me use this ticket machine?
Sure. Where are you trying to go in the city?
I need to get to the Central Park North Station.
You should take the blue line heading uptown right now.
Do I have to change trains at any specific stop?
No, this train goes directly to your destination very quickly.
How much does a single ride cost for one person?
It costs $2.75 for one trip.
Can I pay with my credit card on this machine?
Yes, just tap your card on the yellow reader there.
Should I buy a daily pass if I travel more?
A daily pass is better if you take 5 trips.
I think I will just buy a single ticket today.
Press the start button and select the single ride option.
The machine is asking for my zip code right now.
You can just enter 5 zeros for any international card.
That worked perfectly. Thank you so much for your time.
No problem, make sure to follow the signs for uptown.
Is the platform located down the stairs on the left?
Yes, go down those stairs and wait for train A.
How often do the trains come during the rush hour?
They usually arrive every 5 minutes during the busy morning.
Is it safe to travel on the subway late tonight?
It's generally safe, but stay in the crowded cars.
I will remember that. Thank you for the useful advice.
Also, watch out for the gap when boarding the train.
I see the train coming now. Thanks again for helping.
You're welcome, have a safe trip to the park.
I hope I don't get lost on my way.
Just follow the exit signs when you reach your station.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.